1 Kings 15, a tale of obedience and disobedience with Messianic implications. In 1 Kings 15 we meet King Abijam, a ruler marked by disobedience, leading a kingdom astray. His reign, short-lived and tumultuous, was a stark contrast to his sons. Then Asa ascends the throne. A beacon of obedience, his rule was transformative, steering Judah back to righteousness. His reign, long-lasting and peaceful, restored faith in the kingdom. The tale of these two kings, one of disobedience and one of obedience, is a powerful narrative. It foreshadows the Messianic prophecy, a promise of a righteous ruler who would lead with obedience and bring peace to the world. Dig deeper in the details in the description. Also like and subscribe. We would love to have you with us on this journey. Ponder this tale, reflect on its implications. It's a message that transcends time, a lesson in leadership and obedience. Finally, the anticipation of the Messiah, a leader embodying Asa's righteousness. A prophecy promising hope, salvation, and the restoration of peace.